Everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to fix SteelSeries Arctis Nova mic not working. On PC, guys, go to your sound setting and ensure your SteelSeries Arctis Nova is selected as your default input device. And after that, you can also test your mic, and you can test, guys, your mic picking up the sound. Under on the screen, click on the sound icon taskbar, select the sound and recording Arctis Nova. And after that, go to system preference and click on sound and click on input. After that, select your Arctis Nova and adjust physical mute button. Close up the physical mute button of the headset voiceover, and don't forget to check the physical button of the headset if toggled mic slide and the unmuted position, and inspect the mic and cable, and check your microphone and cable are visible, they not damaged or something. It's on good ETA, guys. Check your cable here, and after that you can contact Steeler support, guys. What you have to do, just go to Steeler support. Go to Steeler support, as you can see here. Click on the here support team, as you can see here, guys. Support team, as you can see here, guys, and you will tell him the reason why this is not working, and you can write a message for the support team, guys, and you will solve your problem without any problem.